Hello and welcome. My name is Sebastian, and we want to continue today a little bit to work in the Amazon Bedrock Playground. So we want to compare models. This is also what this playground is really good for. So when you want to come here to Bedrock, you type on the top Amazon Bedrock and then come here in this service out. You go here on the left to chat text. And instead that we are now just selecting one model, we at first go to compare mode here on the right, click on it. Then we will choose our models which we want to compare. In this case, we take again our Nova Lite and we will take one from Claude. Oh, this is not okay, no problem. Haiku. As you saw in the last video about randomness and diversity, you can also here again make the different settings for the different models. So you can already see that on the right side with our Claude-free Haiku, we will not have only the temperature and the top P, we will also have top K. So this means 250 is the pool of tokens, how it could generate. The response length in maximum is here on default to 2000, here's on 512, and we want to give it now a prompt. Write a short poem about an elephant in the zoo for kids, maximum 8 lines. Let's run it. Okay. And here we have our output. So in the zoo, an elephant roams, gently giant in the zoo, wrinkly skin and tusks so true. Okay, rhymes a little bit. So you can already see that different models created different outputs. And we already see here on the top that the Nova Lite model uses 17 input tokens and the Claude Haiku 25. So what does it mean, input token? Yeah, my prompt was chunked into tokens. So LLMs are just all about tokens. So these tokens could be that it is the complete word or it is chunked. So this could be also that the elephant is 2 tokens or even 3. Or here you see, for instance, a number could be also a token. And you, as you see, Claude took a little bit more tokens, so chunked it a little bit more, even that my prompt was the same. In the output token, it took 72 from Nova Lite, 103 from Haiku. And how long does the model take to give us a response? 672 milliseconds for Nova Lite and 1355 for Claude Haiku. So this latency part comes especially then in the production environment. So when you run with applications and you are using these models to make inference, then you want to have also a quick output so that there is no latency in the app. So it would be then also good when you choose models which are first of all giving you the right output from the prompts which you have, and that they are also then having a certain amount of latency, that they are not too slow in this case. Yeah, so when it's too high the value here of latency, then it would be not good for an application. Okay, this was it to Playground. I hope this helps you, and I will see you in one of the next videos when we go to guardrails, and also another one when we take a little bit of closer look even to image generation. Have a nice day. Bye bye.